YouTubers, Mike Martin's here, Mike Martin's channel. Just showing you guys some night driving on the 401. Very famous highway in the Toronto area, Peel region area. 401 is infamous highway here. Many lanes going up and down. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lanes across here. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lanes across. And yes, it is one of my favorite highways to drive on. I spent lots of time on this highway, going all the way to just Scarborough and Oakville and everywhere. Mississauga. Just the good old 401. Should I stay on the collectors or take the express? I'm going to stay on the collectors. Express lanes are supposed to move you faster because you don't pick up the exits. But it looks like the express lanes are clogged up a bit. So I'll stay on the collector lanes. So right now with the car rental, I'm at 731 kilometers. So I'm just under $1.90 a kilometer, which is really good. I'm getting my money's worth here for this car. That's what the key is, guys, getting your money's worth for what you get. Best bang for your buck. Weston Road, Islington exit coming up. Guy drunk beside me, is he gonna come in my lane? No? Okay. Lots of cars on this highway. Holy smokes, you have no idea. My phone is ringing.